Hi everyone, I'm just going to unbox this Logitech H800 Logitech wireless headset Casque sans fill. So I'm just going to unbox this. I just bought this. I got good review on online, so I just bought it. So what is the features of this? 6 hours rechargeable battery and Bluetooth or nano receiver or and laser tuned drivers and noise cancelling mic. So micro anti-brute. So it is good. What is the specifications? We can use this for listening songs as well as Skyping or chatting with our friends. So what is the specifications? This is this is comparison between this H600, H760 and H800. H800, it has good features. So I'm going to open this. It's brand new. So yes, I'm going to open. This is a wireless mouse, wireless headset. So I'm going to open. I'm going to show what and all inside. Yes, I can show this now. Yes, it opened. So what is this inside? The charger cable, USB charger cable I have. This is an instructions. So along with that, it's good packing. Along with that, I have this Logitech wireless mouse with USB. This dongle I'm going to insert on my laptop and I'm going to check this. So yes, I'm going to take this out. So I took it out, and there's Logitech. Yeah, I just took it out. I'm going to connect with my laptop. So I'm going to connect it. Just trying to install the driver. Now I'm going to check this with this headphone. I think it's good. It's very lightweight, and I think it should be. It's the left side. Yes, it's mentioned as it is the left side. So I'm going to wear this now. Okay. Yes, I need to change this into a Logitech speaker. I need to change this. So did you see this? Logitech, I need to change this. Once I change, I think I will get the sound. I think I need to increase the sound. Yes, actually I should switch on this. I should switch on with this on button. It's now Bluetooth should be enabled, or I can connect through Bluetooth, or I can connect through this pen drive. USB dongle. So I'm just moving that. I think yes, it's connected. Yeah, I'm hearing the sound. Wow. It's good sound. Listen this. Actually, it's good sound. This is, you can turn, it's like flexible, you can do whatever the way you want. It's good sound. That's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.